Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Akanksha, I'm an artist based out of Delhi, India, and welcome back to my art channel over here. I have an online art studio named as White Musk Crafts also, which is there on Facebook and Instagram, and where I post my artworks. So if you wish to check them out, please do. And thank you so much for commenting that on my last video about DIY Diwali decor, and you all seem to love it. So in today's video we are making tiny kids earrings out of clay. So I really hope you like it, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.
So these are the 4 kind of adorable earrings which we are covering in today's video. Need 3 kind of materials for this particular project. One is clay, second is basic sculpting tools, and thirdly are earring findings which we need for earrings to get attached to. I'm using polymer clay for today's project, and I've already kept them conditioned, which is just making the clay soft so that we can sculpt them easily. Just roll out the clay and cut 2 pieces of round shapes using a cutter or even a bottle cap. Anything will do. I started giving it a shape of a flower by giving it dents using a tool, but you can even use a toothpick for this. Start texturing the flower using a needle tool or a safety pin, basically anything sharp. I made these 2 tiny balls of white clay for the center part of the flower. Make a dent in the center part and place the white ball over it. In case of polymer clay, you don't need to attach it with the glue, but if you are using a airdry clay, of course the ball has to be attached with the glue to the flower. So that's how our flowers are looking. For making the emoji earrings, just take 2 equal parts of yellow clay. Make sure that it's flat at the back, because only then it will be very stable when it's attached to the earring. Push the clay inside to make a smile on it. I'm using a small ball tool to make the eyes here. Roll out clay for the eyes and divide it into 4 equal parts. Make 4 small eyes. Work with polymer clay, it sometimes becomes sticky, and that is where silicone tools come into picture, to lift these tiny pieces and to place them on their right place. Then I started working on the head part of beetle, which I made in black, and then the body part in red. Roll out the red clay. Again, the important part is to flatten the back for the earrings to be attached here. Attach both the parts. Rolling out an extremely thin piece of clay for the center parting, but you can even paint it later. Lastly, for frog earrings, again I'm taking 2 small balls, flattening them at the back. I I decided to make eyes out of white clay and then maybe adding a black dot to it. These ball tools become very handy for making such tiny dents. Once you are happy with the way they look, they are ready to be baked. In case of air dry clay, you don't need to bake them, but mine is polymer, so they go in oven like this. And that's how they look after baking. And lastly, I decided to give some detailing using acrylic colors. This time I started feeling happy about the way they were looking. Also, I felt the frog one is turning out to be my favorite at this point. Which one is yours? Do let me know in comment section. I would love to hear. Lastly, we need to attach the earring bases. You can get these online in any craft stores or even local stationery stores. I used a super glue to attach the base of the earrings and I found it good because I decided to test by wearing them for a day and they were perfect. Left them for like few hours for drying and then that's how they looked in the end. Do you guys like it? As I said, my favorite is the frog one. I would love to hear your reactions or read your comments, guys. And lastly, if you like my video, please do support my channel by subscribing to it and sharing my videos in your friends and family groups. Let me know how you found this particular video. Did you like it or not? And lastly, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.